Hello friends, welcome to our channel English Tube. In this video, we are going to learn how to write 10-line essay on the state Chhattisgarh. For more such videos, consider subscribing to our channel and hit that bell icon so that you never miss an update from our channel. First line, Chhattisgarh is a beautiful state in central India. Second line is Raipur is designated as the state capital. Third line is it is known for its kosa silk. Fourth line is, in this state, there is a huge number of tribal people living. Fifth line, most of the tribes are predominant in the forest and hill areas of the state. Next line, that is line number 6, is agriculture is counted as the chief economic occupation of the state. Line number 7 is, it is one of the richest biodiversified state in the country. Next line, the state is rich in mineral resources. Line number 9 is it produces 30% of the country's total cement production. The last line is it is one of the fastest developing state of India.